Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we'll see the personality Krishna Sinha. He was born on 21st of October 1887 in Khanwa in Nawada district of Bihar. He completed his schooling at Zilla School in Munger district. He obtained his law degree from Patna University. He played a key role in the success of non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement in Bihar. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from the province of Bihar on Congress party ticket. He spoke on various issues like he was of a strong view that transfer of power to Constituent Assembly by the British denotes the success of Indian independence movement. He spoke on the objective resolution which was moved in the Constituent Assembly. He passed away on 31st of January 1961. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of our Constitution of India. Thank you.